Okay, import your character, drag and drop here. Okay, so import this one, and then this one is your characters. Okay, now the amateurs are, we don't have this if you didn't go to on the Regify preference add mode Regify, so make sure you on this one. Okay, so after you done this one finish already, because this one is all alignments, so if you have alignments here, your animation will be influenced, make a parent. So you select all the part here, you select all the after the alignment. Okay, and your two as well, you drag them. Okay, you drag them out. Okay, and this one you also drag them out for dress. Then this one for all alignments here. Okay, we don't need it already lah. So, so okay, we don't need this one. All of them we delete. Okay, now the entire things run away already. So we need to make it in a position. Okay, for the rotation we need 90. 0.1, 0.1, 0.1. Okay, for the dressing also we make it 0.1, 0.1, 0.1. So for our eye, 0.1. Okay, make sure all the object we scaling them. Shoe. And all of these we rotate to 90 degree, or we goes to 90 degree. Okay, so now everything done already. Okay, we add the armature. Okay, goes to add armature, then basic humans. Okay, so now this is our bone. Okay, now the bone is too small here. We do scaling. Press the S button. Okay, or you can using the scaling here. Scaling tool, make it S. Okay. So now we go to edit mode to edit our bone. Okay, so now you select the point here. Okay, we on the mirror here to modify one side, and then both will be moved as well. So you move to G, inside, go inside your mask, your body mask. Okay, or you can on this button to see. So this is a wireframe. This. So I think this one is okay. This one is okay. Just this part will be different. Okay, yes, okay, roughly like this. Okay. Okay, once we done already, we select the message file from the body to tools. Click the shift button to select all. Okay, and then we control and press this our armature meta rig. So make sure you goes to object mode. Okay, and control P, select all. Okay, and then control select your meta rig, your armature, and then click control P, make sure it's object mode. Control P, auto weight. Okay, so now you goes to pose mode. Okay, you modify your R here. So if your mesh is follow together, it means that you rig successfully already. So now open your animation tab. You can open your animation tab. Okay, so open your animation tab. You can select one of your bone. Okay, you click the I button to insert the keyframe. You can do the recording here. So you move the, you click the R buttons to move, and you key in the keyframe. So now your hand is moving. So select this bone as well. Press the I to key in the frameworks. Okay, goes to another, goes to 0, 0, press the I, goes to 20, rotate button to rotate. So now your animation will something like this. Okay, like flying. Okay, so once you done, you just export. Okay, export FBX, make sure you check the animation here. Okay, so we can type like flying, flying.